Living in Layton, Utah, means experiencing a variety of weather conditions throughout the year. From the harsh winters with heavy snow and freezing temperatures to the hot, dry summers, your home's exterior needs to be ready to withstand these seasonal extremes. One of the most vulnerable areas of your home is your doors, which are constantly exposed to the elements. Having the right weatherproof door can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, enhance comfort, and increase security. Choosing the right door for Layton's changing climate can help ensure your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer while preventing drafts, leaks, and potential damage. In this article, we'll discuss the best weatherproof door options for Layton homeowners and how these doors can help protect your home from the elements. Understanding the importance of weatherproof doors. A weatherproof door is designed to keep external elements like wind, rain, snow, and extreme temperatures from entering your home. These doors are constructed using durable materials and insulating features to create a barrier against the weather, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Layton, where winter temperatures can dip below freezing and summers can reach scorching highs, having a door that can handle both the heat and the cold is essential for maximizing energy efficiency. Weatherproof doors can also provide a higher level of security, preventing break-ins or damage caused by severe weather conditions. Fiberglass doors. A versatile option for weather-resistant fiberglass doors are one of the best choices for homeowners in Layton looking for weatherproof solutions. Fiberglass is an incredibly durable and versatile material that can withstand temperature fluctuations, moisture, and weather-related wear and tear. Fiberglass doors come with insulated cores, which offer excellent protection against heat transfer. This means they help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling and saving you money on energy bills. These doors are also resistant to warping, cracking, or rotting, which makes them ideal for Layton's varied climate. Additionally, fiberglass doors are available in a wide variety of styles and finishes, making it easy to choose a design that complements your home's architecture. Whether you're looking for a traditional, rustic wooden look or a sleek modern style, fiberglass doors provide both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Steel doors. Secure and durable for extreme weather. Steel doors are another excellent option for weatherproofing your home in Layton. Steel is known for its strength and durability, and when paired with an insulated core, steel doors can provide superior protection against temperature fluctuations. Steel doors are incredibly energy efficient because they are resistant to heat transfer and prevent drafts from entering. They are also stronger and more secure than traditional wooden doors, offering enhanced home security in addition to weather resistance. Steel doors are designed to stand up to severe weather, including snowstorms, rain, and high winds, which makes them perfect for Utah's unpredictable weather patterns. One of the biggest advantages of steel doors is their low maintenance. Unlike wooden doors that may require regular painting or sealing, steel doors are resistant to rust and wear, which makes them a durable option for homeowners who want a long-lasting, weather-resistant door. Wood doors with weatherproofing features. While wooden doors offer natural beauty and timeless appeal, They can sometimes be less weather resistant unless they are properly treated and weatherproofed. However, many modern wooden doors come with weatherproofing features that can significantly enhance their performance in Layton's changing climate. Wooden doors with energy-efficient cores, such as foam insulation or polystyrene, provide excellent insulation, helping to maintain your home's temperature year-round. These doors can also be fitted with weather stripping and threshold seals to prevent drafts and moisture from entering. When properly treated, wooden doors are capable of withstanding the elements while offering aesthetic appeal and classic charm. While wood doors require a bit more maintenance than fiberglass or steel options, they can still be an excellent choice for homeowners who prioritize style and energy efficiency while being mindful of Layton's weather. Impact-resistant doors for added protection. In addition to protecting against temperature fluctuations, impact-resistant doors are a great option if you want to safeguard your home against severe weather, such as hailstorms or high winds. Impact-resistant doors are made with reinforced materials and impact-resistant glass to prevent damage from flying debris during storms. These doors are particularly beneficial for homes in areas that are prone to severe weather events or high winds. While Layton doesn't experience hurricanes, it can still see intense snowstorms or wind gusts during winter months, making impact-resistant doors a wise investment for added protection. These doors provide peace of mind and help keep your home secure, while also offering energy efficiency and insulation. Choosing the right weatherproof door for your home. When selecting a weatherproof door for your Layton home, consider factors such as insulation, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Each material has its advantages depending on your specific needs. If you're looking for low maintenance and high security, steel doors may be your best option. If you want a balance of energy efficiency and aesthetic flexibility, fiberglass doors could be ideal. If you prefer the natural charm of wood, make sure the door is properly weatherproofed and insulated. Additionally, ensure that your door is properly installed with quality weather stripping and seals to prevent drafts and moisture from entering. A well-installed door will make a big difference in your home's ability to handle the extremes of Layton's climate. Conclusion: stay comfortable year-round with weatherproof doors. Investing in a weatherproof door is an effective way to enhance your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency in Layton, Utah. Whether you choose a fiberglass, steel, or wooden door with proper weatherproofing, the right door will help protect your home from the elements and maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. By choosing a high-quality weatherproof door and ensuring it is properly installed, you can improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce heating and cooling costs, and enjoy enhanced comfort in every season.